For so many reasons, it's time. It's time to go back. So it's currently like 9 a.m. or something like that. I knew if I waited any longer, I would just overthink and really never even get to this. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wake up, dye my hair. We're not looking back. We're doing it. Let's go, all right? Dexter, I'm a little bit nervous. We are going back to the roots, baby. It's time. Hey YouTube, what's up? How's everyone doing? In today's video, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair back to dark brown, black. Yeah, really excited though. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it, but let's do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got first. I got this bottle to apply it easily. So I have these two I'll just say demi. I have these two demi permanent hair colors, and these are in the color 3N dark natural brown. And then she told me, which I didn't know before, to get this activating, it says activating lotion. I know there's another word for it. Is it called developer? I don't know. Someone tell me in the comments. I have no idea. But she told me to mix this with the dye. I got these red protein fillers. I got two of them just because like I don't know how much my hair needs. Number 10, red. So I'm gonna put red on top before I put the black to give it like a nice like primer almost. So that's what that's for. That's it. That's all we got. And all right, so for starters, I have to dampen my hair. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I just like rinsed my head in the sink. I just like threw my head back. Okay, so I'm seeing my hair like, because my roots have like never been, actually, I take that back. My roots have like once been like all the way out. It's like so embarrassing. I hate looking at photos from that time, but right now I'm seeing it black and like, okay, like I'm not that nervous now. I'm like more excited. I'm shaking, like my hands. Honestly, it's probably the coffee. I'm like pretty sure it's the coffee, but anyways. Okay, I'm gonna start, I'm like, what do I do first? Okay, I'm gonna start off with just putting some Vaseline around my hair lining just because we don't want any dye. Okay, so I have my, oh, I should probably take off my rings. I always forget to do that. Okay, so we got the gloves and I guess we're just gonna go for it. I would recommend, like I really wish I bought like clips for this, but I didn't. And I was at the store this morning and I still like forgot, so. Whoa, that is like appearing very fast. I was not expecting that. I hope I'm not supposed to mix it with something, because if I am, dude, the red looks actually super cool. I didn't think I would ever like red, but now I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go in and do this side now. I'm only halfway and it covered one side of my hair. I have really thin, fine hair, so if you have thicker hair, you probably want to get 2 bottles, but I feel like 1 bottle would probably be enough for my head. I knew it was too good to be true. I was just about to say, wow, like no staining, but oh God. This looks pretty covered right now for the most part. I'll show you guys the back. So I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna probably just hop in the shower and do like a hair rinse out just so I can like really get in there. Okay, so I have a few more minutes left with this dye in, but while we're waiting, I thought I should make my little mixture. So we're gonna add half a bottle. Okay, cool. And then we're just gonna add these two. That really hurt my tooth right now. That really fucking hurt. Thank God I covered the floor. I'm now gonna wash it. I just wanna bring you guys over here so you guys can see better in like the natural light. This is like what it looks like currently. It actually looks so cool. I'm like, I don't wanna like put brown over it, but we have to. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go rinse it out and I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so we are... Okay, it literally looks like how it did before. A little bit confused, but also maybe I just didn't get dark enough red. I'm like really weirded out, but anyways. Okay, so I'm just lining my hairline again with Vaseline, and then I don't have a clip, so I'm just gonna use this scrunchie. There's no turning back now. Oh, that's why it looks so... I don't have my ring light on. I was like, why do I look so dark? That's like much better. Stay up. Ugh. Is that a bad sign that my hair took like none of that red? Like it literally looks the exact same. I'm so weirded out. Does that mean my hair's like super dead, or did I just not do it right? Oh my God, I'm spilling it everywhere, and I'm wearing Nick's pajama pants and he's gonna be so mad. Okay, so now is when I'm just gonna split my hair into two sections, and then I'll do like the left and then the right. I'm spilling this everywhere right now. I can't wait to be done. This shit is just like a lot of work. Okay, now for the last section. We are almost done. I cannot wait. Now, so I have like a little bit left, which is like totally cool. Getting two of the dyes was like really good because one would not have worked, and I have like very thin hair, so if you have thicker hair, I might even just go for three. I'm just gonna kind of cover and just kind of like use the remainder of it, so. Okay guys, the color is all in. I am, if you guys can see this, I am gonna go try to wash all this stuff off. Wait, hold on. It gets better. Yup. So I'm gonna go wash all of, you know, this stuff off before it stains me permanently. And I'm probably gonna let this sit for like 45 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, okay, so I just got out of the shower. I haven't like really looked at my hair yet. I just threw on this bandana and I was like, okay. Oh, wow. I have not seen myself with dark hair in so long. It's like weird. I'll be back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so I moved areas because I was looking a lot like Snow White over there. My face was so washed out with the ring light. So I moved here with like by my window. So this is it. This is it all dried out, kind of, semi. I'm kind of in a rush to go somewhere, so I'm like, come on. I was like whipping my head back and forth. But yeah, this is the final result. I think it really fits my face really well because I have like very pale skin and it kind of like makes my eyes stand out more than the blonde pink did. So I really like it. I'm not complaining. This is really awkward because I'm filming by my window and there's people walking, but yeah, okay. Well, anyways, thanks guys for watching and okay, this is like really awkward. Anyways, thanks so much for watching guys. That was really fun and as you can tell I'm like really happy right now. Also, I can finally do a red lip. I hated the way, not in general, I think a lot of people can pull it off, but I personally could not pull off the pink hair with the red lip. It just like, So the fact that like I can do a red lip and I love red lips, so this is really cool. I think it looks really well with like the dark. Thanks so much guys for watching and please like and subscribe if you liked this video and I hope it helped you if you're trying to go from bleached hair to dark, your natural color, you know? Throughout this whole video, I literally did not want to show too much of my room because I moved and I did like a whole room, I don't even know what you would call it, like redoing. I just redid my room basically and I filmed it all from like the room being completely empty to like, and it's still not done yet, so it's okay that you guys are like looking at it because it's really not done yet, but the video is gonna be up pretty soon after you watch this one, so stay tuned for that and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.